at night, I'm able to please all the kinds of problems, and I don't have to get up anymore during the night, so it's made a big difference.
Find an awesome Whole Frog Spa at our 6th Street Southwest location in Great Falls.
Care TV and Town Pump are teaming up to bring you Student of the Week honors those students who work hard to succeed both in and out of school. Watch for Student of the Week every Saturday during the 10 o'clock news only on Care TV.
Montel Williams' daytime show ended in 2008 after 17 years. A few months later, we sent Dr. Oz to Tennessee to show us how Montel spends his post-home.
If you'd asked me 3 years